Alright guys, 1 minute and 36 to go. 83 Ginebra, 74 Converge. Foul na naman. Amoy panalo na to. Deloy, tawag ka.
Two free throws out of Sumter. Substitution. Arjay Williams was first time motion. Devin Conn for Arjay Thurston.
Bigyan mo na kay Teteng.
Anong jersey yan? Kanino yan?
LA. Yung over mo, bigyan ko mag pang-vlog mo. Sabihin mo
Alin?
ako LA.
Meron na ako kay Ellen. Hindi ko lang dala.
Sige na,
Anong gagawin ko? Wow. Suplado yun pag ano eh. Alright guys, 1 minute and 21 to go. 83-76. Oh dang! Oh damn! Mama yung ulo niya oh. See? Masyadong physical. Look at this guys. Tumama ulo niya eh. Tumama po, di ba? As flagrant penalty too.
Follow number 12, Alex Sumter.
Wow! Ano lang? Regular foul lang.
Alex Sumter for using a foreign object.
Grabe. Ano? Alam mo ha? Oh, technical foul pa. Kasi ano may nangyaring
Arjay Williams will shoot a technical free throw.
Yun. So 84-76.
14 on the shot clock.
Never by 8. 1 minute and 10 to go.
Arjay Williams.
Panalo na to. 86-76. Alright guys, panalo na to. 10 na eh. 56.4 to go. Ginebra is going to the finals. I mean, to the semi-finals. Love you guys. Jonah De La Cruz.